How to unblock someone on Cash App. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you unblock someone on Cash App. If you wish to unblock someone on Cash App, then you just need to navigate to the activity sections. So first thing, open up your Cash App application, log into your account. Next, you simply want to tap the activity tab on the home screen. As you do it, so you will be then taken to the profile page, which will look something like this. Now from the activity page, you want to find the person you want to unblock in your transaction history. Then you simply want to tap on the profile to open it up. Now you could either scroll down to the bottom of the profile and tap on unblock, or you could just search for them. Tap on the three dot in the top right corner and select unblock. The user should now be unblocked, and then you could go ahead and follow the downstream prompt as well. And additionally, you could also unblock a user from a blocked list within the Cash App settings as well. And if you are unable to find a user or unblock them, it's possible they have blocked you as well. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.